Hello friends. Already in my previous two videos we have seen basics of inheritance in Python, and then one example of single inheritance we have considered. Now in this small session, just simple examples I am considering. So here it is multiple inheritance. As already I mentioned in my first session, that multiple inheritance where there will be derivation. So maybe say for example directly we will go for this particular program. So first class I have defined as employee. In that, one simple method has been written as say message, and one small message, that is this message is from employee class. So one statement just we have written. Then secondly, the class is derived, it is department, and it has been derived from this employee class. And here the message is written as print, the department class is inherited from employee. And now the third class, that is sales, say for example, it has been derived from this department class, and the message is given as this sales class is inherited from employee. So you can see here that these are the three classes. From first class, message, from employee, base class, derived class is department, and then from department there is which has been derived from employee, and from that department class again one more which is derived as a sales. So these are the three say we can say classes as an example, and we have inherited from first class just one message I'm showing you. It is a simple one, nothing some operation or calculation, nothing is done. I'm trying to just demonstrate how to write that and how it works basically. Here one more thing which is used as a self keyword. So you can see here this is self. So this is particularly the keyword used in Python to represent an instance of the given class. Say for example, here we have, afterwards we have created the objects. So when we are not having in advance, that is a kind of convention we can say, instead of a keyword or something like that. This is a kind of a parameter, or we can say that we can access the attributes and methods of the class in the Python. This represents the instance of that particular class. It binds the attributes with the given arguments. Why we are using this is because that it is an instance attribute, and Python decided to do methods in the way that makes the instance to which the method belongs be passed automatically, but not received automatically. So the first parameter of the method in the instance is called on. So for this purpose, this particular self is used. This is always pointing to current object. So this particular benefit we get from the self. Self must be provided as a first parameter to the instance. It is the first argument to be passed in the constructor and the instance method. So we can just use this. It is a convention, not to be considered as keyword, but it is advisable to use, no doubt, and it is going to increase the readability of the code, nothing more than that. It is just a kind of a practice. There is no other some very specific say responsibility of this particular self. Now here you can see this is employee is equal to employee, that is it is derived from it is instantiated, that is the object emp, and we have called the method message, then just a space, and then again department is equal to department, dept is equal to, from this department class we have created this, and now again we have invoked that, and then again just a space, and now s1 and again the message method is called. So total employee, from employee this emp, then from department this dept, and from sales this s1. So these three are created. I will show just the execution. So this is first one from employee class as per our emp dot message. So the same message method, here it is going to show you this particular message. In the second case also, name is same name I have used, that is method, but the contents are different. Try to understand. So here the contents are, like in first case the message is different. Let me just increase this little bit. Now you can see. So here this is from, first message is from employee class, then again same message method, here it is from department class, and where department class is inherited from employee class, and the third case this is sales class which is inherited from employee class. So simple 3 messages we have given through this. Over. In the next session we'll go for some other category of inheritance.